Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing and signing in quickly. Open Chrome, add Speechify, and pin the icon so you can reach it instantly. Grant the minimal permissions it asks for. This lets highlighting and playback work. Make sure you use the same account you want synced. Once done, open extension settings and select a default voice and speed. This prevents interruptions later. You're ready to move from setup into actual reading, so highlight some text and keep the toolbar visible. Now you control how content is read. Highlight the paragraph or line you want, then click the extension or use the keyboard shortcut to begin playback. You'll hear immediate narration. Once playing, use play, pause, skip, and rewind to navigate. These keep you focused and efficient. Open the menu to change voice, cadence, and speed. You'll want faster for scanning, slower for dense material. You can also send items to your playlist or queue multiple clips, which helps organize long sessions. Finish by exporting or syncing your work. Use the export audio feature or add items to a playlist for later listening, and enable cloud sync so your voice and speed choices follow you to other devices. Make sure file downloads go to your chosen folder and test playback on a short clip to confirm settings. If something goes wrong, refresh the page, verify extension permissions, and restart Chrome. If issues persist, clear cache or disable conflicting extensions. This simple troubleshooting fixes most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.